When you go for interview, people will ask you a question. Tell me some complex task you implemented. The task I will tell you who all planning to practice, you practice it. What is a complex task? A challenging task. Please look at this quickly. See guys. So the same slices you have here. Yes. The customer requirement is if he selects 17, 17 should be displayed here. If he select 18, there should be comma and 18. If you select month, there should be a pipe and month. One more month he select, one more with pipe separation. If you select day, what are the days he selected with pipe? So multiple values selected with comma separation, and each category should be separated with pipe. Sir, what is the greatness here? For example, day not selected. It should not show day part, only year and month part. Year and month part. And if month is not selected, only year part. If year also not selected, not selected. Or only day selected, day. Press control and second day. Month selected, month, pipe, and what are the months selected? So whatever customer select, the same thing should be displayed, but category separation pipe, value separation in a particular category, comma. If nothing is selected, not selected. How is it possible? So we need a DAX formula. So with respect to interview, one complex scenario you can answer like this, and complex expression also one. So by heart it or practice it, you can do it. This is a formula, DAX formula. Let me explain this formula. Very simple. This is measure name, DAX measure, new measure. For who all completed DAX formulas, they can understand. Remaining people, don't worry. I'll explain DAX session first and then you will go. Don't feel panic. Very complex formula. So multiple values from multiple slices is a name. I'm creating three variables. Variable YS means year selected. Year selected. If E is filtered day, day is filtered, then select all the day values, all the selected values, concatenate with comma. So if day selected, day result will go to DS. This is the DS. MS. If month is selected, month values are concatenated and values go to this. If day selected, this is year. Year selected, year values will go to this. So three variables having to keep three intermediate results. Now return. If year selected, month selected, day selected, then all the three combined with pipe. All the three, if three selected. If only two selected, two combined with pipe. If these two selected, or if these two selected, those two combined with pipe. If these two selected, these two combined with pipe. Or only year selected, year show. Only month selected, month show. Only day selected, day show. So we return here nested if class. Which class? Nested if inside another if. If all selected, combine all. Two selected, and that to these two selected, those two combined. And these two selected, those two combined. Or these two selected, those two. If only single selected, the respective one. So multiple variables holding respective selections, return an if class, nested if class to handle this. So this formula will give you the solution. So this PBX file and this code I'll give you in another 2-3 hours. Kindly open and look into. At least remember the situation, formula and all later. You're able to answer the situation, they feel 50% happy. If you give the solution, 50 more percent. But if you say blank or if you keep your face blank, they will feel like you did not work on, you haven't seen great examples. But if you feel I'm watching many YouTube videos, project practices, I will explain. 100% people nowadays answering in interview, YouTube examples only. They're joining the institutions, but learning YouTube. They're giving the YouTube answers. Even interviewers, they know very well about that because everyone answering the same. So now there are channels, we know with names also based on your answers. Okay. So please answer this kind of stuff. Then you will be highlighted, evaluated in the company level properly. I'm stopping, guys.